Hello, Laurel Card Latin Dance at Urban Movement Arts in Philadelphia with the Mom Edit here for your tutorial and combo. If you didn't get a chance to check out the dance workout that uses the moves that are in this combo, check it out here. It's great practice, great drills, makes you better and gives you a workout. Do that first, then come here. If you're like, nah, I don't need that, we're gonna get right to the tutorial. It's a quick put together. This one's only a little bit complicated because it changes timing and changes moves kind of quickly and directions, but it's fun. I want you to have fun, and let's get right to it. I'm gonna turn around so that it's easier for you to follow. Let's go. Starting with a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now half a basic turn right. Do that again. Basic. Half a basic turn right. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Half a basic turn right and stop. Good. Guitar timing going forward. We have 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Yes? 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Tap to the right. 5, 6, scoop, 7, 8. Let's go. Basic. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a turn. 2, 3. Forward guitar timing. 1 and 2 and point. 5, 6, scoop, basic. 1. Do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, turn. 5, 6, go forward. And a 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 5, 6. Turn to the right. Guitar timing. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay here. Side taps. 1 and 2 and twist down. 1 and 2 and twist down. Kick the right leg up. Kick. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yes? 5, 6 and 7, 8. So the kick of the right leg, full 5, 6, quickly, and 7, 8. This one comes up. Yes? Side taps. 1 and 2 and twist. Kick. Boom. Bop, bop, boom. Basic. 1, 2. 5, 6. 1, 2. Turn. Guitar forward. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and twist. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1. Basic and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, turn. Guitar and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1. One more time. 6. 1, 2, turn. Guitar and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Point and scoop. Side taps. Twist, kick, ha, ba da ba. Good. This is where it gets tricky. Bass timing. Open your shoulder to the left, quarter. 1, 2. Bring your right foot into the left. 3. Keep turning to the left. And tap 4. Yes? So I'm going open a quarter with my left. Bring my right foot in, just the toe, so I can push myself to my left, onto my left, and tap. That's 4. I open, 5, 6, push back, 7, 8. Yes? You're up, here you go. 1, 2, and 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, push, 7, 8. Again, slow, here we go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Speed it up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. From the kick, I think, no, side taps, 1 and 2 and twist, 5, 6 and 7, 8, turn, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, push, 7, and the push is in line, it's not diagonal. From the top, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, turn, 5, 6, guitar, and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 and 2 and twist, kick, ba-da, ba, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here we go, and 1, 2, turn. Guitar, and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and twist. Boom, ba da ba. So da da da. Point, point, push. It's a lot, I know. Remember that on YouTube you can slow it down. Just go to the settings. Slow it down, half speed, whatever speed, rewind, whatever you have to do. So you're back on your right foot, step your left, back, pivot, step, step, tap. Back on your left, back, pivot, step, left, tap. So as you step back and pivot, you have to push yourself onto your right leg, step left, tap right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to open back up to our front with swivels. Yes? Swivel, 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 close. Try those swivels again. You have to push. Push, 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 close. Yes? I'm twisting my lower body. This. Yes? I step back. 1, 2, 3, swivel, 5, 6, 7, close. Try that to timing. Back on your left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel, 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 close. Arm, right arm. Under, 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 up. Yeah? When I swivel to my right, my fingers are going to my right. Yes? So I swivel, my fingers go the same direction. Swivel, swivel, up, drop, whatever. Get the fist up there. So we're going here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Fast. See, my arm is going this way, this way, this way. Boom. Yeah? From the back step, on your left. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop. Speed it up. 5, 6. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop. In place. Let the hand come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Hip bounces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7. Pull it up. 8. Yes? Hips. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it from the step back. Here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Swivel, swivel, swivel in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Hip roll. 1, 2, 3. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. From the top. 5, 6, basic, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, here we go, and 1, 2, turn, 5, 6, guitar, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. Da da ba. 1, 2 and 3. Tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 1, 2, 3. Swivel. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Hip bounce. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. How do you feel? One more time. 1. Turn. Guitar. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 and 2 and 3. Kick it. 5. Ba-da, ba. 1, 2 and 3. Tap, tap, tap. Push step back. 1, 2, 3. Swivel. 5, 6, 7 in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Booty and a 1, 2, 3. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Only a little bit left. Tiny bit left. You can do it. Remember, keep rewinding if you have to. Outside basic. We just with the chest, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, push, and pull. Tap. Yes? Outside basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, step, heel, down. Ba, 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 ba. Really weird timing in the song. So you're rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, toe, step, heel, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, step, heel, drop. Yes, outside basic. Just at the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push out. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, step, heel, drop. In place, right here. Left, right, left, right, tap. And that's it. So again, from the hip bounce. Nice and slow. Bounce, 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 bounce. Chest, chest, chest. Up, outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just push, pull, step, tap. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, tap, step, heel, drop. Left, right, left, hold, and right, left, right, tap. Speed just that part up. Hip bounce. 7 and a 1, 2, 3, chest. 5, 6, 7, outside. 1, 2, 3, push it. 5, 7, rotate. 1, 2, 3, rat, da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoo! It's the whole thing. Did you do it? I know it's hard. I know it's a lot. That's what's so beautiful about it being a recording is you can keep going over and over and over and over it. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Okay. We can do this. We're going from the top. All right? I'll call it out. Basic and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, half a basic. Turn. Guitar. 1 and 2 and points. Scoop. Side taps. 1 and 2 and twist. Kick. Ha. Ba-da. Ba. Slow and quick. Tap. Boom. Boom. Push step back left. 1, 2. Swivels. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. Outside. 1, 2, 3. Push. Pull. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Ra da 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 da. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 5, 6. Here we go. Push. Turn. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. Point. 5, 6. 1 and 2 and twist. Boom. ba-da, ba. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, swivel. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2. Ra-da-da-da-da. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic 1. One more time. 1, 2, turn. Go forward. 1 and 2 step taps. Scoop those hips. Twist. Kick. Ha. Ba-da, ba. Slow and quick. Tap. 1, 2. Push left, goes back. 1, 2, 3. Swivels. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And rotate. 2. Ra-da-da-da-da. Rock it. Rock it forward. And a yay. Good job. So now we do it all to the song it was intended for. I'm not going to call it out. We're just going to go for it. It's done to the first part of the song. We'll do it 3 times. Have fun, enjoy yourself, get into it, add your style, add your flavor. If you're not ready for that yet, keep going through the tutorial. Do it half speed, do it quarter speed, whatever you need to do to feel really good about the steps so that you're able to dance, because just doing steps is not fulfilling enough, right? You have to be able to escape. You have to be able to dance. You have to be able to pour yourself, your feelings, everything into this movement. And then that's what it's all about. That's the beauty. That's the therapy. That's the magic. When the song starts, we're going to start immediately with one basic and then get into it. Half a basic turn, we're right into it. So it happens right away. You have a short intro, get into the basic, and let's go. We'll do it 3 times. 2 times I'll do it facing away from you. 1 time I'll do it facing you. Have fun.
Pa' no estar solita en los weekends. Y la verdad, me va y me viene. También tengo las mismas intenciones que tú tienes. Tan rico que sabe tu boca y la mía. Bailando bachata de noche y de día. Hacer el amor sin amor no sabía. Pero a mi canción le cambiaste la melodía. Y si tú pa' no estar solita en los weekends. Y la verdad, me va y me viene. También tengo las mismas intenciones que tú tienes. Tan rico que sabe tu boca y la mía. Bailando bachata de noche y de día. Hacer el amor sin amor no sabía. Pero a mi canción le cambiaste la melodía. Y si tú quieres bailame. Pa' no estar solita en los weekends. Y la verdad, me va y me viene. También tengo las mismas intenciones que tú tienes.